Now we'll see a problem with finding out the cost sheet with hidden information. Okay. So there are informations which are not directly given. So we will have to find out the cost sheet and whatever requirements are there as per the problem. The problem is 65, page number 2.83. Okay. Adarsh company data for April 1992. Direct labor cost 17,500 being 175% of works overhead. Cost of goods sold excluding administration expenses is 56,000. Then the following details are given. April 1st raw material, work in progress, finished goods are given, and April 30 is also given. Then other data is the selling expenses is 3,500, general and administration expenses 2,500, sales for the month is 75,000. You are asked to calculate the value of material purchased, cost statement with the profit earned. Okay, this problem we will have to work it out backwards. Okay, it is not a straightforward problem. You will have to work out backwards. So start with what is the information given to you. First, direct labor is given is 17,500. So just write it down. Direct labor is 17,500. Then works overhead is given as 175% of works overhead is direct labor. That means 175% of works overhead is 17,500. So if 17,500 is 175%, what is 100%? That is 10,000. So works overhead you can find it out is 10,000. Next, we will find out the next information given is cost of goods sold excluding administration expenses is 56,000. So cost of goods sold minus the administration expenses is 56,000. Now you start working backwards. You know what is given? Cost of goods sold, which is 56,000. But in the problem they have given us the general and administration expenses to be 2,500. So add the admin expenses, you will get 2,500 plus 56,000. Cost of goods sold is 58,500. Now add the selling expenses, that is also given 3,500. So you can find out the cost of sales, which is 62,000. Sales is already given in the problem, 75,000. You know cost of sales, you know sales. So you can find out the profit, which is minus sales minus the cost of sales, which is 13,000. That is your balancing figure. So you have found out what is the profit. You also know what is the cost of sales. Now rest of the thing you will have to find out. Now you know you are starting with cost of goods sold is 58,500. Adding the administration expenses, it is 58,500. Closing finished goods is given, which is 19,000. See, you are working backwards. So you are adding the closing and minusing the opening. So add closing stock of finished goods 19,000 minus the opening finished goods 17,600. You get a cost of production to be 59,900. Okay, now see the work in progress. So add the closing work in progress less the opening work in progress. Closing work in progress is 14,500. Opening is 10,500. Now administration overheads is given is 2,500. So you find out the works cost is 61,400. Now works cost you already found out 61,400 minus the factory expenses. You found out here it is 10,000. That is works overhead is nothing but the factory expenses, which is 10,000. So minus that you get the prime cost, which is 51,400. Now you got the prime cost. Now minus your direct wages or your direct labor, which is 17,500. You get the raw material consumed to be 33,900. Now raw material consumed is 33,900. Your opening stock of raw material is 8,000. Minus it. Add the closing stock 10,600. You get the purchases figure, which is 36,500. So this is how you start working out backwards with whatever information is given. First write out what sort of information is given. From the information start working backwards. So you start with the cost of goods sold and you find out the cost of sales and the sales figure. Then you again find out the works cost. Then you find out the prime cost and then the raw material consumed. After you find out the raw material consumed, you can easily find out the purchases, which is your final figure. So you know now you have found out the material value purchased and the cost statement with the profit earned. This is how you work out. If the information is not given directly, you will have to work it out this way. Thank you viewers. We will see in the next video.